Hi, and welcome to these affirmations in which you will give yourself the permission to rest. Whenever you're having a hard time giving yourself the permission to rest, hearing these affirmations and either repeating them with your inner voice or feeling the meaning in your body and mind can be very helpful. If you notice that these affirmations are what you need right now in your life, consider listening to them regularly to imbibe their full benefit. I will be using the first person perspective and saying I rather than you to make it more personal. Let's dive right into it. Right now, I give myself permission to rest. My body and mind are sending signals that rest is exactly what I need at the moment. I will listen to these signals and give my body and mind the time they need to rejuvenate. My dear body, dear mind, here you go. Here is time to rest. Take it. Relax and rejuvenate. I do not feel guilty about resting. I know that it is an integral part of life and of immense importance. Life moves back and forth between being productive and resting, just like the moon waxes and wanes. Just like the ocean ebbs and flows back, just like the sun rises and sets, just like the seasons come and go. Life moves back and forth between being productive and resting. And now it is time to rest. I do not feel guilty. I know that in choosing to rest, I am now exactly the right place, doing exactly the right thing at exactly the right time. I love resting. I love the peace and quiet it brings. I love feeling the energy slowly returning to my body and mind. I love nurturing and taking care of my body and mind. I do not place any importance on the opinion of others about me resting. They make their choices just like I make mine. And I know that choosing to rest is the best choice I can make right now. I give my body and mind the time they need to rest. Each body has different needs. Also, when it comes to resting, I give my body the amount and quality of rest that is exactly right for it. This is judgment-free and independent from what others do or don't do. I enjoy resting. Rest is nourishment, care, rejuvenation, rebuilding, recharging, and practical self-love and self-kindness. Rest is coziness. It is warm, intimate, and soft. Rest is full of joy and love. I will disengage from all productivity and problem solving that I have going on right now. The projects and problems can wait until I'm back in my full strength. I will give my projects the time they need in order to flourish. And this includes my resting times. I will not do anything right now. I will stop pushing things forward now. In rest, there is no pushing forward, only letting go and gently drifting on the river of life. This is my time off work, and I will use it to relax and replenish invested energy. Dear body, dear mind, you may rest now. You may stop being tense. You may stop thinking. You may let go and relax. You may drift away to your safe space in which you take care of yourself and rejuvenate. Right now, I am not responsible for anything or anyone else. I don't have to take care of anyone else right now. The world doesn't need me right now. It will go on even if I'm not available during my time of rest. I trust that when I return, I will find that everything is fine. I will not miss anything by taking high quality resting time. I know that I can only fully partake in life when I'm rested. Right now, nothing else is more urgent or important than my rest. I give myself permission to rest. I love resting. Resting feels good. Being fully healthy and energized after rest feels good too. I give my body and mind the time they need to rest. Rest is nourishment, care, rejuvenation, rebuilding, recharging, and practical self-love and self-kindness. Rest is cozy. It is warm, intimate, and soft. Rest is full of joy and love. I let go and relax. I feel my body and mind rejoicing. And now I've come to the end of these affirmations. I will now make sure that I continue giving my body and mind whatever they need in order to rest. Maybe I will listen to this again or choose another activity that is in line with the needs of my body and mind. I know that my body and mind are worthy of care and attention.